Alright. This tunnel looks so majestic. I love it. You can even see the city view a little. Cool, man. I love this city overlay. So cool. Welcome to Mine Hayden. Ooh. Ooh. I have to remember my house over there. Alright. So this is a cool place. I never saw this before. So pretty cool. Let's go up here and see what's happening. There's so many things. The city's playing as well like the other one, but I don't think it's going to be like that for soon. Alrighty, so what does it say over here? It says, welcome to Mine Hayden. Why is it Hayden? I don't know. Anyway, welcome to Blocker. Okay. Crafts. Oh, alright. Alrighty, so this is notch thing. Okay, things are getting a little bit weird. I want to go home now. I'm just really tired, and I really want to see where Spark Scatter's gone. She's so nice. She showed me everything and everywhere. I just gotta go. Ooh, nice view from here. Very nice view. This town is so good to explore. Look at this statue. I must take a picture of this on my cell phone. Alright. What is this? Is this a grave? R.I.P. Dedicated to the #1 Pocket Edition YouTuber, Joe Passon Gaming. Now his channel lies down with purpose. R.I.P. Oh, that is sad. I never knew someone died here. Oh, okay. That is kind of depressing, but this statue looks cool, right? I can't believe someone died here. Maybe that's his statue. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Must be Steve, my ex-boyfriend. But anyway, so I'm just going to move on. I love this view of the sea. There's chickens in the sea, or ducks or whatever. That's kind of weird. Yeah. This city is pretty cool. So here I am back home. Ah, nice. I kind of want to enter this place. How do I enter this? Wow, that cat looks vicious holding this sword. Jeez. Okay, so dogs, cats, bunnies, and entrance. Okay. I'm just gonna enter there. Stop jumping in the anyway, so oh, hello Bonnie. That's kind of weird that the Bonnie over here. Hello there, rabbit. Looks pretty cute. Oh, so loud. Okay. This is cool. I'm gonna go up here. What's up here? What's up here? Oh, okay. I kind of wanna take the weird little looking cat over here. Here. I want this one. I want that one. I'm taking it. Even though I'm allergic to cats. Achoo! Oh God! Oh. I kind of tissue. Hello there. Get back. What? This cat can talk? No, this is just an hallucination. I'm not gonna enter this place here. Quickly. Excuse me.
Stay away.
Achoo! Oh God! Whoa! Achoo! I am so sick. Oh my God. I gotta go. I gotta go. Achoo! Okay. I kind of really want that cat. Come on. I really want a kitty cat. I really want it. I want a kitty cat. Calm yourself down. Jessica, you are 26 years old. Be normal. You're past your years. You're not a child anymore. You have the money. Buy it. You want it? Buy it. Okay, Jessica? Okay? Woo, I can do this. Okay. I'm gonna go get it. Meanwhile,
I don't understand any of this. If she's allergic to me, then don't take me. Who is she? I don't want to go. I have mixed emotions about this. What am I gonna do? That's it. If I'm gonna find this person, I need to do something. Well, nobody knows this, but I have a very big secret. Nobody knows I can talk to her now. Well, I'm kind of nervous, but kind of happy at the same time. I hate this cold place. The pet shop owner he treats us like animals. Well, we are animals. Well, that's the start. But anyway, she's horrible. I can't stay here anymore. It's time for me to break free.
I hate cats. I hate cats. I hate cats. I'm so scared of cats. I'm so scared of cats. I'm just scared they're gonna scratch me and stuff. It's just so scary. She'll let me. Okay, don't worry. She's fine. Hello there, you creature. I bow to you. I don't know. What is your name? Or stuff. Who are you? Where is she gone? Okay. I gotta be safe. She's not here. Okay, that's kind of worrying because I don't like cats. And I'm allergic to them. Where is she? Come on. Only someone understands what I mean. Where is she? Flame! I'm gonna call her Flame because she's so fiery and stuff. Flame! 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 Where are you, Flame? I need you, Flame. You know what? This is toast. It found you! Stop, 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 please, 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 don't run away, don't run away, please, no, no, no. Oh my god, cats hate rain. Go. Come on, ow, the rain, the rain. Oh god, the rain's terrible, okay. I gotta go outside. I gotta go outside. I hate the rain so much. Woo! I gotta go back home. Tomorrow, that girl is gonna be on my list. Okay. Gotta go back there. This is mine. Time for me to have a nice, good night's sleep. Woo! That felt good. Okay. At two. Okay. Hello there, Flame. Flame. Come back here. Come back. Come back here, please. I need to talk to you. How could you talk? Hey, how can you talk?
Fine. I'll tell you. But don't tell anybody else.
Okay.
I'm magic.
What? No, this must be a dream.
Listen, I'm magic. There's nothing you can do about it.
Okay. I was just looking for a pet, but I'm allergic to cats, which is a problem.
I can make you not.
Really? Then do it!
So you have to promise something.
Yep. What is it?
If you want to adopt me,
Mm-hmm.
you can't treat me badly.
I won't. I love cats, but just that I achoo! Allergic to them.
You promise?
Yep, I promise. Pinky promise.
Well, I have paws, but who cares?
Paw
Ready?
promise. Yep. Whoa! I feel so dizzy.
Um,
Wow! Excuse me, madam. Nice smell. Hey, I'm not allergic to you anymore. That's cool, man. Yes, your person worked. I can finally have you as a pet. You're so cute. Look at that. Look at you, so cute. I'm gonna call you Flame. How about that? Like it?
you know what? I was already called Flame.
Wow, I never knew I'd guess that. Let's go outside because I don't like this place here. There you go. Here I am, outside of a brand new cat. So your magic, basically you can help me in sticky situations?
Yeah.
Cool! I just really want that. Okay, that's fine with me. What about we just go inside? I have to tell you something. I kind of have a crush. My thing is weird, but I really love My Little Pony.
You like My Little Pony?
Yeah, sorry, I have a slight addiction. I know it's for little girls, but some people just don't.
I
Get
only
it.
like it because it's of animals.
Oh, okay. So you like it too?
Yeah.
Cool. What about we just work with each other, and what about if we go watch it in my house?
I'm not sure.
Come on, you're my
I-
pet. I insist, please.